we must begin to do things to give effect to the ideals that we have held dear for so long. The Ecowas protocol has been with us since 1975, and yet we can't function as Ecowas. We don't even have a common currency. We've been here so long before the EU was created yesterday. EU is making progress. There are practically no barriers when you travel in Europe as a European. In terms of even language, you get French spoken even in England today, and you get English spoken in Belgium today. There are no barriers. The benefits, the unity of the Europeans coming together has brought to them as a collective far outweigh the economic benefits they each were championing as individual countries. Today, the European Parliament is more forceful and enact laws that affect European citizens, as they are so called. Same cannot be said of Africa. As a member of the Pan-African Parliament, it's become a talk shop. We speak of model laws that are of no applications as soon as you leave the chamber in Johannesburg. Because those laws enacted in the chamber, in the Pan-African chamber in Johannesburg, are of no application in Abuja or in Warri or in Suka at all. Neither are they of any application in Lomé or in Atakpame or in Parliament in Togo or in Cotonou in Benin. Nor are they of any consequence in metropolitan Accra in Ghana. So what exactly is the aim of setting out the Pan-African Parliament? When as a continental body, or the Ecowas Parliament when as a sub-regional legislative body, our model laws are of no consequence. When a trader from Ghana or from Nigeria cannot enter Nigeria for 90 days without consequence, or his brother Chuku from Nigeria cannot come to Ghana for 90 days without any consequence, without being harassed. For we are merely speaking. We are not practicalizing what we are speaking, the issues that we are speaking to. So acta, non-verbal. We must take action and not the mere talk. We've had so many talks, so many keynote speeches. When are we going to remove the barriers? There are over 35 barriers between the outside of the Wenya and Badagry. 35. And some of some consequence. But you can count 35 barriers, security barriers. How will trade, commerce flourish under such circumstances? And it gets worse when we have to traverse Francophone brothers, that is Togo and Benin. You can actually be delayed for hours. So did Zeke and co labor in vain? Did they labor in vain? We should be asking ourselves today. A fine day in August 2026, when they were opining for this in 1960. 66 years or so ago. So we need to do things differently.